Shore Pier, and we're on the way to Tuanzhou, which is an island just off of Hong Kong. We're on its coast, and yeah, it's like a cottage country, cottage city area, and yeah, I'm excited. See you there. So here we are, walking in the main street in Tuanzhou. This is once again an island just off of Hong Kong. It's a tourist destination. You see the pier, mountains. Yes, Dad. Cool, eh? So now we're walking around some dinky little side street in Tuanzhou. You can see this is how people's stores are. They put little tables outside and put down whatever they're selling. So there's a lot of hair clips and hair accessories and such. There's food. Smells good. So now we're right at the edge of the pier. Pretty, eh? Those are all fishing boats, maybe boats that people live on. Yeah, now we're trying to find some place for lunch. So we're inside the restaurant that we're eating at, and that is an unfortunate look on anybody. I didn't know Mercedes-Benz made carts that wheeled people around. Interesting. So we're on the way to the beach now. Not that we got any. Oh, look at that! Cool. Well, yeah. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Not that we have any swimwear or anything, but we're gonna go and check it out anyway. Oh, this is awesome! This is so cool. Oh my God, look at that guy. He's like he's wakeboarding, but it's. Whoa, that's so sick. Yeah, he's wakeboarding, but with a para thingy. Like a parasail. Oh, dipping. Oh, that's so sick. Dude, I want to try that. Up, and here it comes again. Oh my God, that's so sick. Oh, and he fell. Oh dear. Oh. So now we're eating frozen fruit. So good. Yum. And we're also eating, what are we eating here? What is this?
Chips.
Butterfly chips.
This is what they do.
It's called butterfly chips. We have them in Canada too.
No, it's
so good.